Make sure you stick around until the end to see how you can win free gear and products. Hey, this is PJ with Sealka Supplies, and I am here with Brian from BCM Locksmith, aka Watt Volt Amp. And we are here today with the 2021 Chevy Equinox. Now this is the deal. So Brian does a lot of automotive locksmithing back in Phoenix, Arizona. But he has never used the Smart Pro. And so we figured this would be a great opportunity to actually have you try it out.
Yes.
Let's go ahead and we'll hop in and we'll get to programming. Now we are going to be using this Ilco aftermarket Prox key on this vehicle. So Brian, are you up for the challenge on this?
I believe so.
Are you a little nervous?
Not at all.
Not at all.
Not at all.
Good stuff. All right, well, let's get started.
All right. Okay, we're going to try to program this key in here to this Chevy Equinox 2021. So I'm going to go to vehicle selection and find Chevrolet right there, and we want a Equinox. Okay, we're going to choose 2017, see if that works. That should work. Alright, and we're going to connect.
Brian, you know, I mean, for never using it, you seem like a pro.
Well, I watched the pro. Alright, play. Read pin code with pin code procedure. Okay, so we're gonna do like no. Okay, so read pin. Play. Okay, and I believe that's gonna keep that in the machine, so I don't need it, but it's 0238. Okay, program keys.
Or you can just add on the menu on the left or on the right there. You'll see where there's just add keys as well.
Oh, yeah, sure. That's what I want to do. See? See? All right. Procedure in progress. Do you want to stop?
There we go.
All right. Okay. Add keys. Okay, all doors shut. Already programmed keys should remain outside the vehicle. Okay.
And we actually did forget to bring the Lucky Line Prox key hider.
Yeah. Yeah. Or some tin foil.
Or some tin foil. Alright, so we're waiting through that 10-minute wait. We're about halfway through. But I'm curious, Brian.
Yes.
This far along in the process, how would you say the programming with the Smart Pro is?
Easy.
Is it?
Yes, we need one of those easy buttons, you know.
That was easy.
Good to know.
Yeah.
All right, just about done on the wait.
Programming Prox keys. See, it must insert the first key to be learned in the pocket. We have the key down here.
Yep.
The new key, so I'm going to set this outside and get the other key.
Oh, is that the new key?
Oh, it says insert the first key to be learned. Okay, well, okay, that's that key. So let's try it here. Now it says no key was detected. Place key in transmitter pocket, then start your vehicle.
Okay, so
Oh, where is it? Oh, it's right there. Okay.
Yep. Foot on the brake.
Mm-hmm. No remote key was detected. First key in the pocket.
Yep, so I'd lay it nice and flat there. Just like that. Sure, yep.
Alright, I'm gonna hit OK.
Alright, that's good.
Okay.
Interesting.
Try the panic here. Okay, that works.
All right.
That's strange.
Interesting. Okay, so yeah, I guess at this point we could probably just unplug that Smart Pro there. See if you can put your foot on the brake and actually see if it'll start.
Okay. All right, it works.
So we were able to get it programmed, right? Took a couple of times to go through.
Right.
But as you can see, when you're going through those steps, it can get confusing.
It can, yeah.
Right? Because you're looking here, you're looking there, all of that kind of stuff. So we did get the prox part to work.
Right.
The unlock and the panic work, but the lock does not.
Right.
Now, my best guess is that there's something going on with the lock function on the actual remote.
Right, that's what I think too.
Right, okay, so I think that's kind of the safe. Now, this is a rental car, so we're not no need for us to dig into it any deeper, but we did have success as far as the prox programming goes.
Right.
So I guess the question I have for you, Brian, what do you think about how the Smart Pro, that's your first time ever using the Smart Pro?
Oh, it's like, cutting butter with a knife as far as programming, I think.
Okay.
And when you run into a little problem here or there, but usually it goes fine because you go back and you can fix it. So.
Yep, you can go through it.
Yeah.
And then it probably didn't help with me having the camera over your shoulder and then randomly saying little things.
Oh, no, that helps. That helped me, yeah. I take help whenever I can get it.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
So, well, Brian, thanks for doing this.
You're welcome.
Lots of fun.
You.
Lots of fun. And then I'd love to know from the community out there, the Lock Boss community, are we right, you think, on that lock button not working? We would both love to know your thoughts in the comments below. Brian, thank you for doing this. Thank you for watching. And we'll see you next time. I'm guessing if you just watched this video that you work with locks and keys. And to us here at CLK Supplies, that makes you a lock boss. And we want to hook you up. Here's how it works. Throughout the week, we post videos on YouTube, like the one you just watched. And all you need to do is comment on the videos and include the hashtag LockBoss. When you do this, you're automatically entered in to win one of 5 free prizes that we give out each and every week. No purchase necessary. So if you're a lock boss, join us each week to learn, grow, and win.